Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. As you can see, guys, on the gold market do not have any significant progress here, so mostly we have the next inside session that we've got yesterday, and probably hardly we will see any drastic action before Fed Reserve meeting on next week. Still, as we said yesterday, mostly the picture currently looks a bit bearish in short-term perspective, because market, as you can see, has failed to pass through the major resistance 1085 area, so it has challenged twice this area, but every time has failed and returned back down. Also, guys, as you can see, market stands below the monthly pivot point, and this confirms the existing of the bearish sentiment. That's why in the short-term perspective, the analysis that we have made yesterday is still valid, and we still expect the drop lower to the 1060-1065 area. So in the intraday charts on the 4-hour time frame chart, yesterday, guys, we have discussed theoretical possibility of the appearing of the butterfly here, but at the same time we said that taking into consideration overall behavior and the bearishness of the market, hardly this really will happen, especially based on the grabber pattern that we have discussed here. And you can see right now market has accomplished our suspicions. So first of all, market has dropped low and taken out of this low. By this action, market has completed two moments. First of all, the bearish grabber has been completed, since this pattern suggests taking out of these lows. Second, market has destroyed even theoretical chances of the appearing of the butterfly, because to butterfly to be appeared, market needs to keep these lows valid. But right now, these lows has been taken out, and the butterfly possibility has been destroyed. That's why, in the very short-term perspective till then, in the current session, we probably could see two possible actions. First of all, market probably will try to work out with this bullish engulfing pattern. This will be very short-term action within the nearest hours. Probably the market could show some minor retracement back to the pivot point, for example. But later, it probably will continue with this ABC top D pattern as we have suggested initially. So maybe today market will reach 1062 FIB support and simultaneously will complete this ABCD pattern. What will happen next? It's difficult to suggest, because mostly it will depend on the comments of the Fed that will follow after the rate changing. So right now it's mostly a done thing on rate change, so Fed Reserve probably will raise the rate. But the most important, because this rate hiking was already mostly priced in, but the most important thing will be the comments what will follow after the rate hiking. Whether Fed will give any hints on the further rate hiking, or it will be just a separate event, so independent event. So market Fed will raise the rate once, and that's all. So and based on these comments, it will be the further situation will depend. So that's why in the short-term perspective, market probably will complete this ABCD, and after that we will see. As the possible scenarios, guys, first of all, take a look at the daily chart. And one of the possible scenarios, if we suggest the dovish comments from the Fed, take a look, that could be the head and shoulders pattern would be formed. So market will reach the 1060, 1062. This will be the right shoulder. And if comments will be dovish, well, we can't exclude that market could show some kind of the A, B, C, bottom D retracement to the 11 even area, as we have suggested. If market will fail to hold above the 1060 and drop lower, well, in this case, could be different possibilities. As we said, this could be some kind of double bottom, or market just could continue to move lower. That's also possible. So we will see. But right now, from a tactical point of view, in the short-term perspective, we should watch for this ABCD pattern. And after that, we will look what will happen next.